Nellie started getting the ball. She's the only one that I've seen in the pool, too. You got the ball from him, didn't you, Nellie? Yes, you did. That's my little pretty girl. You going swimming? Oh, sitting down in the pool. She's so precious. Oh, my goodness. Nels? You silly dog. You silly little Nellie. Look at that pretty girl. You want your ball back? You want your ball? That's my girl. She gonna be a water dog. Yes, she is.